Are we finally not alone in the vast universe? The James Webb Space Telescope has just detected something that could change everything we know: a distant planet, an alien ocean world, and signs in its atmosphere that could be a signal of life. Let's break down the cosmic clues and find out if someone out there might just be watching us back. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today, first let's understand what the James Webb Space Telescope actually is. It's NASA's most powerful telescope ever. Basically, Hubble's big brother launched into space in 2021, and it's so powerful that it can look at galaxies billions of light years away. Recently, JWST turned its eye to a very interesting exoplanet called K2-18b. It's located about 120 light years away from Earth, orbiting a star named K2-18. So Webb scanned the atmosphere of this planet, and what it found might be the thing scientists have been waiting for years. It detected a chemical called dimethyl sulfide. Here on Earth, this compound is produced only by living organisms, mainly plankton in our ocean. So if dimethyl sulfide is present on K2-18b, could life exist there too? It might be microscopic or maybe something far more fascinating. Scientists are saying that while this is not 100% confirmed yet, it's very promising. And it's not just dimethyl sulfide. Webb also found methane and carbon dioxide in the planet's atmosphere, both of which are considered biosignatures. All these signs are pointing to one possibility: an ocean planet with a chemical balance similar to what we see in Earth's ocean. If life really exists on K2-18b, just imagine, we might not be alone in the universe after all. Maybe there's another blue planet out there with its own form of life evolving in alien oceans. This could just be the beginning. Webb is still collecting more data, and in the coming years, we might just get the first real proof of alien life. If you are as fascinated by space and the possibility of alien life as I am, make sure to like this video, share it, and hit that subscribe button. And tell me in the comments, do you think there's life on K2-18b, or is it just a cosmic coincidence? See you next time for another space mystery. Until then, keep looking up.